Hello everyone, I'm Henry, BDN of iFactory. Today I'm going to introduce you our solution, Accelerator for smart manufacturing with intelligent all-in-one PC. So let's get started. As you guys know, iFactory solution architecture, we support wide range of industry, from the edge computing, data acquisitions, to the middleware, we have the IoT platform. And on top of it, we have applications in different scenarios like the data AI, vision AI, or production, energy management, etc. But today, we are going to focus on very specific target. We have the 3 target audience. Today, we are going to talk about 1.1 system integrators and line builders. Or you own the production line, you would like to see the better data insight of your productions. So the system integrator right now, they are looking for the smarter managed way to do the automations. In the past, we might see controlling and the real-time information is very important in the past of words. But right now, since the data has become the pivot, the roles in the production line, the interactions with operators and the data analysis is become the next generations of the edge computing spec. So here we offer you the all-in-one PC to enable your low carbon manufacturing. So you can see the all-in-one PC here offer the operator have the job reporting, event reporting interface. Also, we offer you the plug-in dashboard to quickly to see the digital transformation performance. Also, the mobile supports alarms and dashboard for you to monitor your production in any time and anywhere. So how does this all-in-one PC works? Here inside we have the iFactory RTM, real-time monitoring. There are 3 steps to do. First of all, of course, you have the Advantech hardware support to do the data acquisitions from the SCADA or EdgeLink, etc. And the data could go external to the cloud or to the edge computing RTM. To consolidate the data in the RTM, you would like to see your work orders, because the operators at the end, at the line edge, you would like to empower them to have a better data awareness. So the job reporting is important when the operator come to the job shop, who they are and what they do, which work order they are gonna do is important for the supervisor to track. And also the data from the machines to offer the better production visualizations is also important, because we would like to increase the performance for each machines and to prevent any alarms or any invisible parameter errors inside the machines as well. So here comes the last alarms. We need to prevent it. And we would like to inform the alarm to the right person at the right time. And this is the 3 very key functions the RTM play with. On top of it, we can have a future expansion to the different applications like Anthem, digital maintenance, or the shop floor, etc. Also, we can connect to the third-party software like MES or ERP database. So if you view the whole architecture, you will see from the ground, the system integrator are building the new automation line, or the legacy machines need to be digitalized with the all-in-one PC. Both are a perfect match with our solutions. And in the middleware, you will see either you have your own upper system like MES or ERP, line management system to connect with our all-in-one PC, or you can use iFactory wide range of applications. We offer you the modularized application stuff from OEE, maintenance, and then shop floor, etc. And very important, our solution built on the private server and public cloud. So it is very modularized and flexible local no-code platform for you to build future factories. So let's see some of the key functions this all-in-one PC has. First of all, you will see on the touch panel, job reporting to interact with operator is important. Because when operator on the job shop, you need to input the manual data for the management and the job dispatch. Also, some of the information couldn't be collected by the machines. It will need the operator to support, like no good products input, or some of the production need to be correct the number. So you will see job reporting has a friendly GUI here for the operator, and also has an interface to communicate with the PLC and meters. This is a standardized interface for you to develop your own production line. And second, event reporting here stands very important role as well. For some information couldn't be collected by the machine's error code, the operator need to manually input, and the system will notice the supervisor what's going on the shop floor, and you can customize your call for help buttons by your own as early detections and quick response actions. So idea similar to the job reporting. We have the manual report GUI for you, and also you can automatically has the interface triggered by the PLC and the sensor meters, etc. And you might wonder those PLC and sensor data, how to manage them. And if you are the beginner of the digital transformation builder, what you can do. So we have the very friendly, rapid data management interface for you. And you don't have to do any coding efforts or engineering. On the back-end stage, you will see we have the IIoT allocations management. The machines from the CNC or the PLC-based machines or PC-based machines can easily collect the data and manage the asset on the platform. And you will also like to monitor your parameter and set up the rules for each parameters. And also, we provide you, as I mentioned in the beginning, we have the dashboard to plug in. You can see here, standardized dashboard provide the production line monitoring. We will see how many machines in the productions and how many in the idles or in the error status. And in the green block over there, you can see the energy monitoring has become also very important data for the future carbon footprint management. So the line managers or the engineer would like to see further information. They can click the single machine status and see this machine is working with which work order, start from what time and end from what time. So the error codes and the production history will be recorded here. In the daily base, the supervisor would like to see how many work order has been produced in the production report. And each work order, is it hit the target? Is it hit energy efficiency target or the production efficiency rate as well? So this is very important and different from the traditional SCADA or let's say the HMI for controlling purpose only. The end, the engineers might come to the site and to check how to improve their parameter setting or the machine improvement. So the error log and the alarm list will be analyzed in this dashboard. You will see the frequency of the alarms and how many accumulated time will be happen in the past, has been happening in the past. All right, so let me share a successful story with you. This is a food processing production line in China, and the system integrator use our full range from the edge to cloud products. You can see on the automation field, they try to digitalize different types of tank, material tank, filling tank, mixing tank, and some of other machines like metal detectors or the cotton sealers, because those are the critical machines for their production quality. So here we use the Advantech gateway with EdgeLink to connect with PLC. And as I mentioned, on top of the line, we have the panel PC, all-in-one panel PC, stand over this layer, and operators can report the job reporting, and if is there any alarms happen, they can interact on the touch panel as well. And all the information will be collected to the all-in-one PC as an edge computing purpose. And on top of it, in the central servers, we run these different applications like OEE and maintenance, and also the AI inspections on top of the all-in-one PC. So here comes with the golden sample that if you would like to digitalize your production line, you can start from all-in-one PC here, and to gradually you build up your smart manufacturing line by line. And in the central server, you build up the future applications for all. Okay, so this is the case study. We have the different range of the panel PC for you, start from the IP level 65 or greater. And each of the PC, you can collect 500 or less tags for you to manage your IoT devices. And welcome to contact us, because we are very ready for you to do the digitalization and edge computing purpose. Thank you.